My name's Courtney. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today we're going to be doing something really fun, which is going through my Sarah's Day White Fox boutique order. I placed this order a couple months ago and I've been doing school and it's just been so busy, so I've kind of put off making this video, but now I'm really excited to start this process. If you haven't already, it would mean so much to me if you would hit that subscribe button to join my friend group and to help me grow my channel. I would be forever grateful. So I have a couple different things that I've ordered, and I had a discount code which was SARAHS30, and she had a 30% off site-wide for her collaboration with White Fox. So in this video, I'm going to be unboxing the order and then also kind of doing a recreate photo like I did before. If you haven't seen that video, it was so fun to do, and make sure you check it out. And let's go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna go ahead and try each of these pieces on and see how they look. And then I'm also going to take a few days to recreate some of these photos. So we'll go ahead and see how that goes. Okay, so here's the first item. I'll go ahead and take it out of the plastic. This is called the Cali Babed crop sweater, and it's this cute tie-dye pink tone with the Sarah's Day White Fox on the shoulder, and then it matches perfectly with the Cali and Cute shorts. I got these in an extra small. They are so comfy and so cute, and I thought this would be really cute paired together. And then because it was a discount, I had to just get the matching top. So this is the Kelly sports bra, and I got this one in a small, and it is called Pink Sunset. So this goes perfectly underneath, and then having the full sweat set on the bottom. I feel like it's perfect for working out in or just lounging around the house. And then I got these shorts to go with. So this could be worn as a set on its own or interchangeable with the different pieces. So here's the front of those, and then the back has the Sarah's Day times White Fox boutique in the back. So those are 4 new pieces that I got. And then I had been eyeing this one for a while. This is the speckled oversized sweater, and I got this one in an extra small because I do have another one of the sweaters from an earlier release that I got in extra small, and it's a bit baggy. But here's that. I just love the look of this speckled set, and it would look really cute with these shorts. In a lot of these photos, she was wearing the nudish sand colored bottom shorts with the speckles. I don't really want to wear that color on my whole body, but I thought it'd be cute with that as the top with these shorts, biker shorts on the bottom. So these are called the Dominate Black shorts, and I got these in a small. So there's the front, and then I love the writing on these. I already had the leggings that matched the sweatshirt, so I thought it'd be kind of fun to get the matching top since it was all on sale. This is the Team Captain sweater, and it is in an extra small with black with the Sarah's Day White Fox active day. So I thought that was kind of cool to have the full set of that too. Here are the first 2 photos that I want to recreate, and I'm going to go ahead and put on the first outfit and try it on and see how it looks. I love this outfit. I think it's so comfortable, really flattering. It's very supportive and perfect for working out in. It's also nice because you can just throw over a baggy tee or sweater over the leggings. I wanted to start with the sitting pose. I thought that one would be a good one to start with. Her arm was out to the side, and I tried to get the angle of her hip correct. I set up this corner space to have like an empty background. Obviously, I don't have the machinery that she has in the same yoga mat, but I'm pretty happy with how this one turned out. Let's see how the second pose in the same outfit turned out. Moving on to photo number 3 and the next outfit. Time to put on the really cute cropped sweater. It's really comfy. This could be also cute paired with a nice pair of high-waisted jeans or shorts. It's really versatile. I think the tie-dye is really cute. And then these shorts are super comfy. The pockets are really nice. You just add your phone in there or whatever you need to hold on to, your keys or whatever. And paired all together, I think it's a really cute set. Let's see how the next photo turned out. For this next photo, I needed to put on my leggings instead. I did not have the exact sports bra that she was wearing. So I just wore the sports bra I had on and added these leggings. I just love the plant in the background, you know, my little baby plant compared to her giant plant. It's great. This pose was really hard, but I think it turned out pretty good. Next, I'm going to put on this really cute sweater and tuck it in. Actually, I realized I was wearing the wrong pair of leggings for this one. I actually needed the ones with the orange on the bottom. So I did change out, but I wanted to show you guys this set because I think it's super cute all together. As you can see, I did change my leggings. Let's go ahead and see the comparison of this next photo. I love this speckled top and I love it with these biker shorts. I think it's really cute, comfy, and casual. I didn't attempt the photo in this one just because I was trying to do this mostly on my own, but I wanted to show you guys how the outfit looked anyways. Let's move on to photo number 5. This was the sweater that I had from a previous release that I got maybe a year ago. So I just paired it with the shorts that I got in this order. Let's see how this photo recreation turned out. I had this Dalmatian print set that I really wanted to incorporate into this video. I didn't open it in this package, which is why I didn't show it in the beginning of the video, but let's just keep going and move on to the comparison. So let's go ahead and do a recap of all of these recreations and see which one we like best. I would love to know what you guys think, but I definitely think number 6 was my favorite. It was my favorite one to recreate, and I think the pose turned out the best. So let me know down in the comments below which of these recreations was your favorite or which outfit was your favorite. I'd love to get your feedback. I hope this video was entertaining and fun for you to watch. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you like this video. Make sure you like this video. Thanks so much for hanging out with me and being a part of today's video. I hope to see you in another video real soon. Thanks. Bye.